guys, today we are doing another little car wash. Today we are going to do an excavator. So, today we are going to do the washing our lovely huge excavator. So, first thing to do, the best part is to clean the wheels, put some kind of waxy stuff on it, blue wax, 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 and also to do some awesome washing in our car wash place to clean the 3, 2, 1. Let's start! Brum, 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 brum. Brum, brum, brum. Brum. Now to dry it with our hairdryer, just because it's awesome. And now to just clean it off. So that is the end of this video. All we need to do is sponge it and then put a bit more at the end and put in wax on. But that is the end of this video. I will see you in the next little car wash. And it is time to say chocolate. And the second thing to say is bye guys. Extra chocolate. Yeah.